5 powerful fruits to supercharge your kidney cleanse and how to enjoy them. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic: how to clean your kidneys naturally using fruits. Our kidneys are super strong organs, but unlike some other parts of our body, they can't fix themselves if they get damaged. Inside each kidney, there are about 1 million tiny filters called nephrons. Their job is to filter your blood non-stop, every day, all the time. Your blood carries various things like nutrients from food, alcohol, medicines, drugs, and even harmful substances from pollution. And it all passes through your nephrons. These nephrons have a big job to do. They decide what your body needs to keep and what it needs to get rid of. As we get older, these nephrons can start to work less well, and you might lose up to 20% of them. That's why eating right and staying away from harmful substances are key steps to look after your kidneys. But here's some great news. Even though genetics play a part in your kidney health, there are things you can do to help keep your kidneys healthy. And a big part of that is focusing on what you eat. Did you know that spending just $1 on a fruit that's good for your kidneys can make a big difference in your health every day? If you're curious about what fruits can do this magic, stay tuned. We're about to share with you 5 delicious fruits that are great for cleaning and supporting your kidney health. We'll also give you some tips on how to make the most out of these fruits to benefit your kidneys. Before we get into it, we want you to know that all the information in this video is checked by experts to make sure it's accurate and unbiased. Now, let's get ready to explore the best fruits that can help clean your kidneys. 5. Blueberry. Blueberries are like a mini health shop provided by nature, packed with substances that are really good for you, especially for your kidneys. A lot of studies have shown that blueberries are beneficial for your kidneys. The National Kidney Foundation says that blueberries can help with various kidney problems, including chronic kidney disease and kidney stones. In our previous video, we talked about how eating a lot of salt, phosphorus, and potassium can be bad for people with kidney disease. But here's the good news. Blueberries don't have a lot of these minerals, so they're a great food choice for people trying to take care of their kidneys. One of the magic ingredients in blueberries are anthocyanins. These help keep bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This is really important because it can reduce the chance of getting urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can be really bad for kidney health. Anthocyanins don't just stop at preventing UTIs. They're also celebrated for their role in stopping kidney disease from getting worse. For instance, a study in 2022 discovered that these powerful substances in blueberries might help slow down diabetic kidney disease, DKD, in mice. This is a huge discovery for improving kidney health and fighting kidney disease. In a study involving nearly 1,900 women, scientists discovered that those who ate more anthocyanins, which are nutrients found in foods like blueberries, had lower blood pressure and healthier, more flexible arteries. This is a key finding because having high blood pressure is a significant danger for developing diseases in the kidneys. Additionally, blueberries are really good for your health because they tackle oxidative stress head-on. Oxidative stress happens when bad molecules called free radicals damage our cells, and this damage is a big issue when it comes to kidney health. Thankfully, blueberries are packed with antioxidants, specifically a type called polyphenols, which are great at fighting off oxidative stress. To give you more specifics, if you were to measure the antioxidants in a cup of farm-grown blueberries, you'd find 9,019 of them. But if you looked at a cup of wild blueberries, they have even more, with a total of 13,427 antioxidants. So it turns out that eating more blueberries could be a smart move to keep your kidneys healthy. There was also a study in 2021 involving animals, where scientists learned that treating them with blueberry extract could lessen the activity of a gene known as TNF-alpha. Now, TNF-alpha is quite important because it helps start inflammation in the body, which is at the heart of many diseases, including chronic kidney disease. In simple terms, this study suggests that blueberries might help prevent kidney damage by reducing harmful inflammation in the body. Blueberries are really good for your kidneys because they help reduce swelling and keep them working well. One experiment with rats found that when blueberries were added to their food, it helped blood move better through the kidneys. This could mean it's a good food for helping clean the kidneys. The same study also showed that eating more blueberries could improve genes that control blood pressure and manage body fluids, which is great for kidney health. Eating blueberries can also help deal with things that could lead to chronic kidney disease, like high blood sugar and high blood pressure. When picking blueberries for the most health benefits, it's best to choose ones that are fresh, whole, not cooked, and organic. Why are they called blueberries? Well, their color tells us a lot. Ripe blueberries are blue or bluish-purple and have a light white or gray dusting called the bloom. This bloom helps protect the berries from the sun and signals they're ready to eat. Stay away from white or green berries because they're not ripe yet and won't taste as good. Choosing organic blueberries is recommended because they're less likely to have been treated with harmful pesticides. The Environmental Working Group, EWG, says blueberries are among the fruits with higher levels of pesticides. Organic or IPM, integrated pest management. Blueberries are a healthier choice because you avoid consuming these pesticides, which can be hard on the kidneys. If you end up with non-organic blueberries, you can soak them in lemon juice or water with baking soda to remove any pesticide residues. Just remember to drain and rinse them before you eat them. You can add blueberries to your breakfast or have them as a snack to enjoy their benefits. 4. Apple. An apple a day can indeed keep the doctor away, even the kidney specialist. For those who have kidney problems or not so good kidney function, it's very important to pay attention to how much potassium, sodium, and phosphorus you eat. Apples are a great food choice for this because they don't have a lot of these minerals but still give your body lots of important nutrients. One key nutrient that apples provide is fiber, which is great for lowering the risk of getting kidney stones and diseases. Adding more fiber to your diet is beneficial for your kidneys because it reduces swelling and makes your gut health better. This, in turn, helps your body get rid of waste more efficiently when you digest your food. Apples contain a special kind of soluble fiber called pect. Pectin is really good for keeping your blood sugar stable and helping you manage your weight. This is indirectly good for your kidneys since being overweight and having diabetes are two things that can really increase your risk of kidney problems. Pect might also help your body get rid of harmful heavy metals like lead, mercury, and arsenic, although we need more research to be sure about this. In addition to all this, apples are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a super convenient way to get the nutrients your body needs. In 2018, researchers found that when 16 people with kidney problems ate 2 Fuji apples every day for a week, their health got a little boost. These apples increased the levels of good antioxidants in their bodies, but didn't cause any issues with their potassium, which is important for people with kidney issues. Apples are packed with powerful antioxidants like quercetin, catechins, anthocyanin, and chlorogenic acid. These antioxidants help protect the kidneys from getting inflamed or damaged. Quercetin is especially good because it can help lower high blood pressure. That's important because having high blood pressure can damage your kidneys by making the blood vessels inside them narrow and weak. If you want to eat apples to help keep your kidneys healthy, you should try to eat fresh, whole apples. But remember, the Environmental Working Group, EWG, says that regular apples have a lot of pesticides on them, making them the 8th worst food for pesticide levels. So it's a good idea to pick organic apples or those grown using integrated pest management (IPM) methods. These options are healthier because they don't have harmful pesticides that could stress your kidneys. Don't peel your apples because the skin has a lot of the fiber and most of the antioxidants that are good for you. Although dried apples might be tempting, they're not the best choice because the process removes vitamin C and often adds extra sugar and calories, which aren't great for your kidneys. And what about the clear apple juices from the store? They are filtered and pasteurized, which makes them last longer, but also strips away most of the beneficial antioxidants and fiber, not to mention a lot of added sugar. For the freshest apples, check if the stem is still there. No stem means they might go bad quicker. Although color isn't everything, it can be a good guide. For red apples, look for ones that are mostly red or pink-orange over a green base. Brightly colored apples have usually been in the sun more and taste better. Less colorful apples are usually better for cooking, not eating raw. 3. Cranberry. Cranberries are really good for anyone who wants to eat in a way that's healthy for their kidneys. Just like blueberries, they don't have much sodium, potassium, or phosphorus. One of the best things about cranberries is that they don't have a lot of sugar but are packed with antioxidants. These include vitamin C, flavonoids, like quercetin and anthocyanins, phenolic acids, and resveratrol. All these nutrients are excellent for your body. A special thing about cranberries is they're rich in substances called proanthocyanidins, PACs. These PACs are superstars at fighting off oxidative stress, which is basically an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in your body, infections, and swelling. Think of PACs and other antioxidants as your body's defense team. They protect your cells, including kidney cells, from being damaged by harmful molecules known as free radicals. It's like having a cleaning crew for the cells in your kidneys, keeping them safe from harm. For a long time, people have also used cranberries to help prevent and soothe urinary tract infections. UTIs can really strain your kidneys and make urination frequent or painful. This is often because of bacteria, like E. coli, invading your urinary system. Although antibiotics are a go-to for treating UTIs, not everyone likes to use them because of potential side effects. That's where cranberries come in handy. They make it harder for bacteria to stick to the cells in your urinary tract. A research review in 2008 looked at 10 studies involving 1,049 people and noticed that cranberry products lowered the chance of getting UTIs by 35% across a year. But it's important to know that once the bacteria have attached, cranberries can't get rid of them. So, cranberries are more about prevention rather than treatment when it comes to UTIs. Another great thing about cranberries is they are about 87% water. This helps keep you hydrated, which is essential for keeping your kidneys in good shape. Water helps your kidneys do their job of filtering waste from your blood and turning it into urine. However, it's crucial not to drink too much water because having too much fluid in your body can lead to swelling, known as edema. Consider mixing some fresh organic cranberries into your oatmeal or adding them to salads. This way, you'll get a burst of their natural sweetness in your meals. For a refreshing snack, try eating cranberries just as they are, fresh and cool. They're really tasty on their own. Making smoothies, throw in a handful of cranberries, either fresh or frozen, to make your drink deliciously tangy. Cranberries are great in smoothies any time of the year. When picking out fresh cranberries at the store, go for those that feel firm and spring back when you gently press them. They should have a bright red color, which tells you they're ripe and ready to eat. The darker red they are, the more of the good, healthy stuff they have in them. But just a heads up, dried cranberries aren't the same as fresh ones. They're more like raisins, so they don't really work as a substitute if you're looking for all the benefits of fresh cranberries. 2. Grape. Grapes are amazing for your kidneys and cleaning your body. They have a lot of water, which keeps you hydrated. This is important because it helps your kidneys work well in getting rid of waste and bad stuff from your body, just like cranberries do. Grapes act like a natural flush system, making you pee more. This is helpful because peeing is a key way your body gets rid of unwanted substances. If someone has trouble with their body holding onto too much water due to kidney issues, grapes can be really helpful. Grapes also have a really good antioxidant called resveratrol. Research in labs and on animals has shown that resveratrol can protect your kidneys by fighting off stress on a cellular level and inflammation, which can harm your kidneys. This antioxidant not only helps to keep the kidneys working well, but also protects their structure. Some studies on people suggest that resveratrol can help prevent problems with the kidneys by improving how well they filter and how much they can filter. Grapes have other helpful substances called flavonoids, including catechin, epicatechin, anthocyanins, and procyanidins. These are good for reducing swelling and stress on a cellular level in your body, both of which can lead to kidney problems. Resveratrol can also slow down the growth of cancer cells in the kidneys. So, by eating grapes, which are full of antioxidants, you're giving your kidneys a powerful tool to stay healthy. The next time you find yourself enjoying some grapes, remember that even the seeds inside them have great health benefits. While the seeds might not taste the best, they won't harm you and are actually packed with good stuff, particularly something called antioxidants. One powerful antioxidant in these seeds is known as proanthocyanidins. If you're thinking about trying grape seed extract for a more powerful health kick, remember that it's much stronger than just eating grapes with their seeds. Because it's so concentrated, talking to your doctor before giving it a go is a good idea, especially if you're on medications like aspirin or warfarin that thin your blood. You might also wonder which type of grape is the best for your kidney health. It turns out that dark grapes and the skins of grapes are excellent choices due to their high content of resveratrol, a beneficial compound. And if you're choosing based on antioxidant power, blue grape seeds outperform white ones. Remember, grapes don't continue to ripen after they've been picked. This means it's important to choose the ripest, best quality grapes from the get-go. Look for grapes that are firm, full, and vibrant in color. The stems should be green and not dried out. However, it's worth noting that grapes are often found to have high levels of pesticides according to the Environmental Working Group, which ranks them fourth in this regard. To avoid the risk of consuming harmful pesticides that could affect your kidneys, opt for grapes that are organically grown or those grown with integrated pest management methods. When it comes to enjoying your grapes, there are plenty of fun ways to do so. They make a great snack by themselves or can add a fresh twist to salads or smoothies. But try to avoid grape-based products that are high in calories, such as raisins, jellies, or juices with a lot of sugar. These products might not be the best for your kidney health because they can be quite taxing on your kidneys. 1. Watermelon. Watermelon is a popular fruit in the summer. It's almost all good with hardly any bad points. This fruit is mostly water, around 92% of it, which helps our body in a unique way. Our kidneys need water to work properly. They use water to get rid of harmful substances from our body. Eating watermelon gives our kidneys the water they need, making it easier for them to clean our bodies. If you're worried about kidney stones, watermelon should be your go-to snack. It has very little oxalate, a substance that can lead to the formation of kidney stones. There was a small study on rats that showed watermelon could help reduce the formation of the materials that make kidney stones and even boost kidney health by increasing how much we urinate. But the real superpower of watermelons is in their antioxidants, the stuff in foods that can help our bodies fight off damage. Watermelon, especially the red part, is full of an antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene is what makes watermelons red, and it's really good at fighting off damage from harmful molecules, reducing inflammation, and even fighting cancer, which in turn protects our kidneys. There's been research that shows eating foods with lycopene, like watermelon, can actually help people live longer. One big study followed over 7,000 adults who had chronic kidney disease for 26 years. Those with more lycopene in their blood were less likely to die during the study. They saw a 22.2% lower risk of dying from any health issue, which shows that lycopene is beneficial for people at all stages of chronic kidney disease. Watermelon is great for your kidneys because it contains a healthy ingredient called citrulline. Citrulline is a type of amino acid, which is a building block for proteins. This amino acid helps your body make another amino acid called arginine, which is essential for creating nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is important because it helps relax your blood vessels. That means blood can flow more smoothly to various parts of your body, including your kidneys. When your kidneys get a steady flow of blood, they get the oxygen and nutrients they need to work well. Now, you might wonder, why focus on citrulline when arginine does the job? Here's the thing. When you take arginine supplements, your liver processes most of it before it even gets a chance to reach your bloodstream. But citrulline goes directly to your kidneys and gets changed into arginine right there. This process increases the level of arginine in your blood, which can help lower blood pressure, especially in older adults. Since high blood pressure can lead to kidney problems, eating watermelon is a tasty and natural way to keep your kidneys healthy. When you pick watermelon this summer, it's a great way to support your kidney health. But remember, watermelon is number 33 on the Environmental Working Group's list of foods with a lot of pesticides. It's better to choose organic watermelons or those grown with integrated pest management. Always wash your watermelon well before cutting it. The best time to enjoy watermelon is from July to September, depending on where you live. For more benefits like lycopene and antioxidants, make sure your watermelon is fully ripe. Look for a creamy yellow spot on the bottom. That means it's ready to eat. Small, round watermelons with lots of brown web-like lines are usually the sweetest. Watermelon isn't just for eating on its own. You can add it to salads, smoothies, and even salsa to enjoy its sweet flavor. Don't throw away the rind and seeds. They have special antioxidants that can help your kidneys and liver by supporting the detox process. Consider adding the rind and seeds to your smoothies or juices for an extra health kick. To make it easier to understand, let's talk about how eating different fruits can be good for the health of our kidneys and why it's a good idea to include them in what we eat regularly. Some fruits like blueberries, cranberries, grapes, watermelon, and apples are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. These are important because they help protect our kidneys and keep them working well. However, it's also important not to eat too much of these fruits because if we do, it can lead to too much fluid in our bodies, which isn't good for our kidneys. We should also keep an eye on our sugar intake to avoid blood sugar issues. If you're ever worried about your kidney health, it's a good idea to talk to a healthcare professional. Catching kidney problems early can make a big difference in preventing more serious issues later on. Besides fruits, including a variety of vegetables, healthy fats, and foods that are natural sources of probiotics in your diet can also help your kidneys. Leading a healthy lifestyle, which includes getting enough sleep and regular exercise, is also key. This helps our body get rid of toxins properly. Try to stay away from processed foods and sugary drinks as they can be bad for your kidney health. By eating a balanced diet with lots of fruits and veggies, some healthy fats, and a bit of protein, and by living healthily, we can help our kidneys work better and improve our overall health. But remember, not every food considered healthy is good for your kidneys. Some might actually harm them. We made a video that talks about common foods that could be bad for your kidneys, and you might be surprised to find some of them in your kitchen. We'll also give tips on how to enjoy these foods in a way that's better for your kidneys, or how to find better alternatives. Check out the video to learn more and keep your kidneys healthy. Stay informed to stay healthy.